Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my lovely and wonderful subscribers, guys. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. If you want to see how I made this tasty fried sweet potato and crispy chicken burger, please stay tuned. For the ingredients for today, I'm using soft chicken thigh. If you're somebody that likes chicken breast, you can use chicken breast, but sometimes I find it that chicken breast is so dry for me, so I love the legs and the thigh, so I'm using chicken thigh. Eggs, fresh milk, lettuce, burger buns, sweet potato, curry and ginger, mixed seasoning and thyme, salt, maggi, onions, dry chili. I forgot to mention flour. I'll be using plain flour as well. So now it is time to cut our chicken. I'm going to take out the bone and also take out the skin of the chicken. So this is how we want it. You want the bone out and you want the skin out. So guys, after cutting and deboning and skinning our chicken, it is time for me to mix the egg and the milk together. So I'm going to break the eggs. I think for this chicken, one egg would be enough because it's not a lot of chicken. I'm going to add, not all of it, half of this milk. I'm going to add one maggi. I'm going to add thyme. I'm going to add ginger, mixed seasoning, curry, dry chili, and salt. I'm going to mix. So I'm going to pour it all over the chicken. I'm just gonna make sure that everything is well coated. Okay. So now I'm going to wrap it up and I'm just gonna set it aside for like 30 minutes. You can leave it for longer if you have a bit of time, because that helps the seasoning and everything to go inside the chicken and does their magic and wonders to the chicken. So yes, so now also I am going to add a bit of seasoning in my flour. This is just me as a Nigerian being extra. You don't have to do this. You can use the plain flour as it is, but for me, I love my whatever that I'm eating to be well seasoned and all that. So that being said, we're going to add the same seasoning we added in the egg mixture in the flour mixture. So salt, a bit of thyme, dry chili, mixed seasoning, ginger, curry. The only thing I'm not going to add to the flour is maggi. I don't need maggi in the flour, so I'm going to mix. Okay, I am going to set that aside as well. So while I'm waiting for my chicken to marinate, I am going to slice my onions and my sweet potato. I have taken out the back of the onions and I have also washed it, so I'm going to slice it round. So that is done. So for my sweet potato, I am going to take out the back and then slice it. So for my sweet potato, I am going to slice like this. So guys, our sweet potato is done. I have cut it and I have cleaned it, and we're going to add seasoning. I'm going to add salt, dry chili, ginger, and I'm going to add maggi. I'm going to mix it up. So now guys, it is time to add oil in our pan and get it ready. Put it on the stove and allow it to heat up. So now it is 30 minutes. Our chicken is ready. I'm going to take the chicken and then put it on the flour and coat it properly with the flour. So it is time to start adding our chicken in the oil. So I'm going to put it inside the oil. And I'm not gonna fry it completely here. I'm going to just lightly fry it and then just brown the skin of it a bit, and then I'll put it inside the oven. So guys, our chicken is ready. I'm going to cook it in the oven for 15 minutes, okay? So after taking out this sweet potato off from the oil, I'm going to put it inside the oven for 5 minutes. You don't actually have to do it because it's already done. This is done. Yeah, but I just like to put it inside the oven for 5 minutes, okay? So after taking it out from the oil, I'm going to put it inside the oven for 5 minutes. I'm going to use the pan to fry my onions. I'm going to add some oil. I'm just going to allow it to heat up and then I add my onions. So our onions is done. I am going to take it out of the stove. So guys, everything is ready. We are almost coming to the end of this video, but it is time for the fun part, which is molding and building our burger. So for my burger buns, I am using the big ones that has the seed on it, and I have just toasted it lightly, not too much. So I'm going to put my lettuce on the bottom of it. Our chicken is out from the oven and it is looking divine. So I'm going to grab one of the chicken and place it like that. I'm going to put some of the onions on top of the burger. And at this point you can add your sauce, you can add your whatever that you're going to be using to eat this chicken burger. I am going to leave it, you know, when I'm ready to eat it, that's when I like to add the sauce. So because when you add the sauce earlier, it makes the burger a little saggy, so I wait until I'm ready to dive in, then that's when I add the sauce. But look at that. I mean, like, can you see the inside of the burger? And if you like cheese with your chicken burger, I prefer cheese with my beef burger but not with my chicken burger. That's how weird I am, but that is okay. So I'm going to put another lettuce by this side, and I am going to put our fried sweet potato like that by the side of it, and I am going to add a few onions on top of it. Oh my days, literally I can't wait. It looks so exciting. I can't possibly wait. So yes guys, we are almost at the end of this video. Let me twirl it around so you can see what is going on the plate, and everything is looking so juicy and so divine. So guys, this is where today's video is going to end, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I can't possibly wait to dive in and enjoy this meal. It is looking super delish and super yummy. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next one.